Aloha. This is my 2020 Corvette stock steering wheel. And this is my new Paragon Performance carbon fiber steering wheel. Now, you have to remove the components from the old steering wheel and add them to the new steering wheel. So that you don't trigger the airbag, you need to take off these plastic pieces from the front and disconnect the battery. I did the negative cable so you don't accidentally trigger the airbag. You need to leave the battery disconnected for about 10 minutes before you remove the steering wheel and the airbag. And then it's fairly simple just to put the components on the new steering wheel and reinstall it. Aloha and stay safe.